Hey guys, I'm Nika and I am a home baker. Thank you so much for supporting my previous video. Sobrang happy ko sa lahat ng feedback nyo sa aking Genoise recipe. So kung may mga gusto kayong ipagawa or may mga request kayo, just comment down below and lulutuin natin yan. Okay, as promised, for today we are gonna be baking a chiffon cake. Get your spatulas ready and let's get baking.
First things first, we're going to preheat our oven to 170 degrees Celsius. In a bowl, combine flour, baking powder, salt, and then mix this together to evenly distribute our leavening agent. Add in our granulated sugar and then combine. We are then going to make a well in the center of our dry ingredients and add in our water, oil, egg yolks, and vanilla extract. Whisk this together until there are no lumps in the mixture. In a bowl of your electric stand mixer, place your egg whites and beat this with a whisk attachment on medium-low speed until foamy. Once the mixture is foamy, we are going to add the cream of tartar and continue to beat this until soft peaks form. Now that we've reached soft peaks, we are going to increase our mixer speed to high and gradually add in our sugar until stiff peaks form. Once we've reached stiff peaks, our meringue is ready. As you can see, muntik ko na pong ma-overbeat ang aking meringue mixture. Pagka ganun po kasi, magiging watery ang consistency ng ating batter at maaapektuhan ang pagtubo ng ating cake. With the use of our spatula, we are going to gently fold in our egg whites to our egg yolk batter. Always remember to be very careful in folding because we want to avoid deflating our egg white mixture. Once done, we are then going to transfer this to a lined 9-inch pan and bake it for 30 to 40 minutes or when a toothpick comes out clean when checked. Once out of the oven, transfer this immediately to a cooling rack to cool completely.
So we now have our chiffon cake. So ano nga ba yung pinagkaiba ni Genoise tsaka nito ni chiffon? As you can remember sa previous video, yung characteristics ni Genoise is spongy siya at the same time stable. Ito naman si chiffon cake, dahil meringue based siya, it's light and fluffy. Also, si chiffon cake meron siyang leavening agent na baking powder. It gives extra rise and height to the cake. Kung texture naman yung pagbabasihan natin and taste, mas richer yung lasa ni chiffon cake. That's because of the oil na present sa ating recipe. So the oil gives a richer taste, at the same time, it makes our cake moist. Please do tag me if you give this recipe a try. I hope marami kayong natutunan today. Also, check out my Facebook page for more baking basics. At the same time, doon ko din pinopost yung mga TikTok videos ko. Give this video some love by liking and then subscribe to my channel for more. Okay, so next week, kita-kita na naman po tayo. Happy baking!